Today, I'm going to review the Toasty heater, a new and innovative space heater that claims to be the most efficient and affordable way to keep your home warm and cozy. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. The Toasty heater is a convective ceramic heater that was created by a team of electrical engineers from the electric vehicle industry. They wanted to design a portable heating device that would be cheap, easy to maintain, and suitable for any type of home, office, or car. The result is the Toasty heater, a compact and powerful heater that has an astounding 99.8% efficiency. That means it loses very little energy due to leaks, which is good for both the environment and your wallet. The Toasty heater can heat up a medium-sized room in just 60 seconds. It has a simple and sleek design with a top-mounted handle that allows you to move it around easily. It also has a safety feature that automatically shuts off if it gets too hot or tips over. It has been tested and certified by reputable agencies for home safety. The Toasty heater has a digital control panel that lets you adjust the temperature, timer, and fan speed. You can also use the remote control to operate it from a distance. The heater has a low noise level, so you won't be disturbed by its operation. It also has a filter that helps to purify the air and prevent dust and allergens from circulating. The Toasty heater is a great option for anyone who wants to save money on their heating bills and enjoy a comfortable and cozy atmosphere in their home. It is also ideal for people who live in cold climates or have poor insulation in their houses. The Toasty heater can make any room feel like a mini sun without burning a hole in your pocket. If you are interested in buying the Toasty heater, you can click on the link in the description below to get a special offer. You can get up to 70% off the original price, plus free shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss this chance to get your own Toasty heater today. Trust me, you won't regret it. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews and tips. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the Toasty heater. Have you tried it? Do you like it? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.